Okay, I have some more on cucumbers. Here's those transplants that I planted the other day. They're growing pretty good. And then I have some watermelon plants. Got some baby transplants. Hopefully those will survive. And then I have over here try to plant some more cukes, but it's been very cold up here at night. So these cucumbers, this new batch, are not doing that good. So I was rearranging the greenhouse a little bit. I had to get all my seed trays out from another area. And there's some cucumber plants that turn out to be nice. And over here, all these cucumber plants. Right there, I have to get the tomato cages and put them on top of this metal rack right here. So that's where they will go. My corn patch is really taking off, and that is amazing. I've got about 40 plants. There goes a turkey. He's gobbling. There we go, he flew away.
Those things can fly?
Yeah. All right. Here goes some nice, decent size, ripe blueberries. Ready to eat. Here goes another batch. They look pretty good. I'm going to be picking those like really soon. First buds, flowers on tomato plants. And it is June 16th, 2026. First flowers, potato plants. Looking nice. Jalapeno pepper plant flower. They're all getting flowers now.